Hi, I'm Hazel Vicky. You are 14CS293. This is my database 8th experiment where we are going to use procedures and functions. So the first question is to create a stored procedure that displays the name and course ID of a student whose course ID is passed as a parameter. So this is done by creating a procedure using create or replace procedure where F1 is my procedure name and CID and number where I'm going to pass my course ID, and then I'm going to display the name by selecting it from my enquiry table with the help of where clause where the course ID is equal to CID. Then with the help of a display statement I'm going to display the name. So when I have to pass my parameters, I'll say declare begin and my procedure name, and with that I'm going to pass my course ID which is 10. So as soon as I say end, my name which is present in the table is displayed, that is Anil. Then my second question is to create a stored procedure which takes enrollment date and course ID as input, and then the procedure should display the duration of the course ID and the end date of the course. So in this I'm creating a procedure saying F2 where it's taking its parameters as the date and the enrollment number. So in this I'm going to display the batch and with the help of a select clause where I'm going to select the course code from the batch table, and where I'm going to display the duration and the starting date, and with the help of my display statements I'm going to display the duration and the starting date. So when I pass my parameters as so and so date, so in that and with my course ID, then this is what is displayed where my starting date is so and so and the duration is for 30. Then my next question is to write a procedure that deletes the student's record whose roll number is passed on to it, and if the roll number is not found, to create an application error. So in this particular procedure I am creating a procedure called F3 and I'm passing the roll number in roll. So then I use the delete statement from enrollment, that is my table name, and where I'm verifying with the help of a where clause where the roll number is equal to roll. And if there is an exception, that is if that particular roll number is not found, then I'm creating an application error saying that the given data is not present. So when I'm passing that particular roll number, it shows that this particular table nothing is happening as those are not these particular roll numbers are not present in my table. So then when I put in the correct roll number, that is 200203, my last entry is deleted. So when I again show my enrollment table, only the first two entries are shown. Then my next question is to write a function to display the course fees with the given course code. So I create a function F4 and then I'm passing my parameters, the fees parameters, and then with the help of the select clause from my batch table I am taking the course batch and the course table. I'm taking the course code and the fee and the row from these two particular tables from the column course fees. So in this particular function, when I'm passing my parameters as 10, that is the course code, it displays the fees of the course code 10 is, I'm putting it in a display statement, and when I pass the course code as 10, my output comes as the fees of the course code 10 is 4000. Then my next question is to create a function which counts the total courses having amount 5000. So in this particular question I am creating a function F5, and in this I'm using the count function to count the value which the course fees is 5000 with the help of course code column, and this course code is taken from my course table and fees paid. So in this I'm saying f dot amount is equal to 5000. So when I pass my parameters in this particular function, I use a display line where I'm displaying the number of rows. So in this my return value will come as 1, as only one entry is with 5000. Then my next question is to create a function which displays the student details when roll number is given as input. So in this particular query, when I create a function called F6 where I'm passing its parameters roll number, then I'm returning a varchar value, that is the student's name. Then with the help of my enquiry table and enrollment table and with the help of my fname column, I am finding the roll number which matches the particular inquiry number and the number of and the particular student's name. So in this, when I'm running this particular function, I pass the roll number in F6 in the parameters, and with the help of a display statement, I am saying fname is nm. Nm is where my name is being stored. So in that, when I run it, it shows that fname is Anil, which is the first person who has entered. This is my database 8th experiment. Thank you.